Welcome to the top best. The best little girl toys is probably one of the most exciting and crucial purchases a parent can make for their developing child, as these carefully selected items can spark imagination, foster essential skills, and provide hours of engaging entertainment, ultimately shaping a young mind's journey through play and discovery during these formative years. Number 5. Water Doodle Mat, Kids Magic Painting Toy. Introducing the Water Doodle Mat, a magical way for your child to explore their artistic side. It's designed for endless fun and learning. Simply fill the magic pen with water and watch the colors appear on the mat. There's no ink, no paint, and absolutely no mess, making cleanup a breeze. The drawings magically disappear after a few minutes, allowing your child to paint again and again. It's a truly reusable and engaging art experience. This educational toy helps develop hand-eye coordination and color perception. It's a fantastic way for children to express their creativity and imagination. Its large, portable design makes it ideal for drawing anywhere, whether at home, outdoors, or even during travel. It's perfect for toddlers and kids aged 3 and up. Packaged beautifully, this water painting pad makes the perfect birthday or holiday gift. Give the gift of creativity and watch their skills grow. What we like. This toy offers a mess-free creative outlet for young artists. It magically disappears, allowing for endless drawing fun. If you're looking for a way to encourage creativity without the worry of stains, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The colors are bright and engaging, which really captured my child's attention. It's durable and has withstood rough play from my toddler. Number 4. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for kids aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's made with safe, eco-friendly materials and features a user-friendly 2.0 LCD screen. This toy video camera captures memories in crisp detail. It records up to 1080p video and offers an 8x digital zoom, ensuring those wonderful moments are saved clearly for your boys and girls. It does more than just take pictures and videos. This device also includes fun puzzle games, some even motion-controlled, for endless entertainment. Plus, with 28 scene selections, their creativity can really shine. Designed for little hands, it's simple to turn on and start capturing. It features a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts for hours and supports up to a 32GB SD card, which is included. Just remember, charging should be supervised by an adult. Weighing only 100g and designed to be compact, it's easy for children to take anywhere. It even comes with a lanyard so they can wear it around their neck and capture the wonders of nature with the family. Easily transfer photos and videos to a computer using the included card reader. It's a great way for them to share their captured adventures and memories with friends and family. What we like. This gadget captures precious moments in high definition, offering more than just photos. It includes games and various creative modes for extended entertainment. If your child is curious about capturing their world and enjoys interactive play, this is an excellent starter camera. What people say. The toy is designed with smooth edges and non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for young children. It features interactive buttons that light up and play music, engaging children's attention and encouraging sensory development. The durable construction allows for long-lasting play, withstanding rough handling by toddlers. Number 3. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend play set designed for aspiring young doctors. It includes everything they need to step into the role. This kit comes with a variety of realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, and a doctor's costume. It's perfect for imaginative play and learning. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This toy can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to experience it in a fun way. Through role-playing, children can develop confidence, communication skills, and empathy. They'll love taking care of their patients, real or imagined. This educational medical toy is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a big hit for children who dream of becoming a doctor or dentist. Recommended for children aged 3 to 8 years old, this kit offers hours of creative and educational fun. Let their imagination run wild as they play doctor. What we like. This set allows children to step into the role of a caregiver, complete with realistic tools and a plush patient. It's designed to demystify medical visits and foster caring behaviors. If your child loves to nurture and role-play, this kit will provide hours of imaginative and educational fun. What people say. The toy is made of durable, non-toxic plastic, ensuring safety for young children. It features bright, engaging colors that capture a child's attention and stimulate visual development. The interactive elements, such as buttons that play sounds and lights, encourage imaginative play and learning. Number 2. Rurvale Magnetic Tiles 44 PCS. Are you searching for engaging and safe toys for your little girl? Look no further. Our magnetic blocks are designed to meet all your needs, offering endless fun and learning opportunities. These magnetic tiles are more than just toys, they are tools to foster your child's imagination and creativity. They help children learn numbers, colors, and geometric shapes, laying a foundation for future learning. We understand that safety is your top priority. That's why our magnetic blocks are made from safe, non-toxic ABS material with smooth, rounded edges, ensuring a secure play experience for your child. Looking for a great birthday or holiday gift? These magnetic building tiles are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion, providing hours of entertainment and educational value. Included is a convenient storage bag, making cleanup a breeze. This encourages children to develop good organizational habits while keeping their play area tidy. Recommended for children aged 3 to 7, these educational toys are perfect for developing a strong sense of color, geometry, and even basic architectural design principles. What we like. These magnetic blocks offer a safe and engaging way to build and learn. They introduce geometric shapes and encourage creativity through construction. If you want a toy that supports early STEM development and is easy to clean up, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The toy is very durable and has survived many drops and tumbles. The colors are bright and engaging, which my daughter loves. It's a great educational toy that helps with fine motor skills and problem solving. Number 1. Diamond Magnetic Building Blocks Princess Castle. Let your child's creativity soar with this magnetic tile set. They can build and pretend with princes, princesses, and their very own castle. Crafted from safe, durable ABS plastic, these tiles include doors, windows, and stairs. Your child can build their own winter castle and kingdom with confidence. This set is compatible with other magnetic tile kits, making it a versatile addition to their toy collection. It's perfect for home, road trips, or playdates. Encourage STEAM learning and develop essential skills like fine motor control and problem solving. These tiles make learning fun through building and storytelling. Looking for a fun and educational gift? This is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any holiday for children who love princess castles and building blocks. Watch as their imagination comes to life while they design and build. It's a wonderful way to foster creativity and endless hours of fun. What we like. This set lets your child build a magical princess castle, fostering imaginative storytelling. It's compatible with other magnetic tile sets, expanding creative possibilities. If your child dreams of fairy tales and loves to construct enchanting worlds, this is the perfect gift to ignite their imagination. What people say. The toy is made of durable, non-toxic plastic, ensuring safety for young children. It features bright, engaging colors that capture a child's attention and stimulate visual development. The interactive buttons and sounds encourage imaginative play and help develop fine motor skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.